Getting a virtual card on Skrill is a straightforward process that allows you to make secure online transactions. Here's how to do it. Create an account. If you don't already have a Skrill account, visit the Skrill website or download the Skrill app. Click on Register and fill out the required information to create your account. Verify your account. Complete the verification process by providing identification and proof of address as required. This step is crucial for accessing all Skrill features, including the virtual card. Access the Skrill dashboard. Log into your Skrill account and navigate to the card section. This is usually found in the main menu. Apply for a virtual card. Select the option to apply for a virtual card. Review the terms and conditions, and if you agree, click Apply. You may need to fund your Skrill account before proceeding. Receive your card details. Once your application is approved, you will receive your virtual card details via email. You can now use this card for online purchases, subscriptions, or payments.